Biafra National Guard. They say they don't burn Nigeria Constitution, and even their money, and also carry their flag, join them. No, be say they do them, they leave them, or they even bury and join them. Yeah, my people, move go find out how they do this, you know. Yeah, my wonderful people, welcome back to Balabas GC. If today not the first time they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We'll quickly jump into the Ogbonge news where we get for hand today. Here will they bring as it they happen, and how they bring and they come to you. They say that during the anniversary of Biafra National Guard, they say they bring out the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and their money and conjure their flag, join, and so they come put on fire, come put on for burial for inside ground as well. No be smart, you know. And now when they say waiting they happen, they say they don't want anything concerning they don't want anything concerning Nigeria again, or for inside Biafra land, say they don't tire and as it don't be that this now, so they go they do and they go. As they look for that picture, you see that gun where they carry, we be like say that thing with that gun where they carry for movie. That be say Biafra, if they release one of this one, oh, boom boom. Okay, my people, we'll go play one video as they take døwŋ and they take burn the money. So what the video from beginning to end, may you see everything will happen for that video. Okay, stay tuned and watch the video.
Parade by the personnel of the Biafra National Guard, specifically the Biafran Army of the 2nd Mechanized Brigade, Mőŋêy Province, Chukwuemeka Odumego Juku Barrack, here in the state of Biafra. We are expecting the head of state, Biafran provincial government, and Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the State of Biafra, General Innocent and Oji, very soon to give us reasons and his speech on why we are here. Although we know why we are here, but to educate us, to enlighten us, to refresh us on that Biafran provincial government, the government of the state of Biafra. As I said, a government that is in an infant stage. Every building we have seen here is a story building, and they are made with woods. So now, if you are able to look at that government at this infant stage, growing, making story buildings, what is going to happen when they are over 5 years old? So think about that.
Well, you know, everything human beings have invented is just an imitation of what God have originally made. In a giant nation, one of the vibrant economic of the world, China precisely, take your time to analyze how much China made per annum based on natural wood alone. Even this, their latest invention of plating mats with bamboos is kind of like, is something alien.
And we have a lot of bamboos,
brother. So when you talk about the story buildings are being made of wood, some of the old buildings we met here that the missionaries resided on when they came down here, was it not made of wood? So you see someone calling himself a professor, a lecturer, or thereabouts out there in Nigeria. Meanwhile, the so-called president is a man without certificate. So you see that
what is marvelous is that they are all story buildings.
And that's what it will tell you, that those people, they feel that they can suppress and they compress to nothing, that the potentials in them is beyond their own comparison. This is a natural gift God made available to us. So we need not to start waiting until when our Jakarta steel companies start working, or we start mining the steel at the Mőŋêy and all the rest of it before we start raising an upstairs. No, with what the Lord has given to us already, to prove to Biafrans that we can do it, with or without. And beside, the prophecy have always have it that God is one who is going to give it to Biafrans, not to any nation. Yes. And that's why many have been putting their trust in any country that will come or whatever. Have they taken time to go through UN guide that has to do with moving weapons from one country to another?
Yes.
You can't boycott it.
And we have indigenous engineers.
Of course. So you can't boycott it.
We have indigenous engineers working tirelessly in manufacturing weapons indigenously made. So let us try, while we are watching, we are taking note that all of these people are of Biafran. And they are in Biafran land. They didn't go to any other place to do whatever parade or they are live at Umuahia province.
Are we hidden?
They are live at Umuahia province, and there is a government house, an office of the head of state, whereby you can interact, you can have discussion with the head of state, with his parastatal. There is a parastatal because the Department of Defense Force is a parastatal. The bank, the National Bank of Biafra, is a parastatal. They are all visible. It is not a Photoshop. It is on ground, meaning that the state of Biafra is on ground, meaning that the Biafran provincial government is on ground.
Of course.
I want us to be enlightened when it comes to the Biafran provincial government. It means that the state of Biafra is based on provinces.
Yes.
Provinces, meaning that you, as in every province is given recognition. Every province that was mentioned, the 31 provinces and its national provincial capital are all recognized with provincial administrators. So it is not a government of one family.
No.
It is not a government of one man.
No.
It's not a government of a few group of people.
No.
It is a government for the people.
Of course.
Because through the provisional administrators, there's an interaction with the people of Biafra, who are the civilians.
Of course.
Because if you have a military police, it means you have civilians in place being guarded by the police.
Yeah.
So the provincial administrator interacts with his people, then his people tells him what is happening on ground, then the message is passed across to the and shared amongst them, that is the people that makes up the Biafran provincial government.
Of course.
For the record, I repeat again, the Biafran National Guard is the restored armed forces of the state of Biafra, which organize the Biafran Supreme Military Council of Administration. That did what? They proclaimed, we declared, restored, and reestablished the Biafran provincial government. In October 30th, 2021, at the headquarters in Nsukka. Okay, we just got information. The arrival of the head of state of the Biafran provincial government, which is the BPG, the government of the state of Biafra. Just seeing the arrival of the armed forces of Biafra. He just arrived innocent and
General salute. Present. Internal life. I want to fight for Biafra red. God save my soul. I'm proud to be a Biafran soldier. God save my soul. Oh my Savior, let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafran right, to fight for Biafran freedom. Let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafran right, oh Lord. Internal life. I want to fight for Biafran right. God save my soul. I'm proud to be a Biafran soldier. God save my soul. Oh my Savior, let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafran right, to fight for Biafran freedom. Let me go and fight for my people. To fight for Biafran right, oh Lord. Biafra National Guard, prepare
flag of Papa, Biafran Army, Captain Samuel Eze, guard provided by Afar Company, 2nd Mechanized Brigade, Ubakala, Umuahia Province, State of Biafra. Police. His Excellency, Head of State of the State of Biafra Provincial Government, BPG, Government of the State of Biafra, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the State of Biafra, General Innocent N. Oji, may I have your competent permission to board the Nigerian flag, Nigerian Constitution, and the Nigerian currency?
Permission granted.
Stand for Syria.
Carry on.
Put on.
This is the exchange. Just received permission from the head of state to bond the Nigerian to whatever that is being done here. Maybe we'll get a better understanding from the head of state and the commander-in-chief of the Biafra Armed Forces. The Nigerian sorry for the break in transmission that has been placed on the ground.
Thank you, sir.
The flag has been handed over. The constitutional law in Nigeria has been handed over. The currency has been handed over. Sorry for the break in transmission. While we were cut short, the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria was also handed over for burning, that is to be set ablaze. We are live at Umuahia Province, State of Biafra. Chukwu Emeka Odumegwu Ojukwu Barrack, which is the 2nd Mechanized Brigade, Umuahia Province. This is 30th October of the constitutional law in Nigeria.
Which has no effect.
Our service is being interrupted seriously by who or whoever is in charge over there. But we still move ahead. You can see that the Nigerian flag has been burned to ashes. What makes a country is the flag, its currency, and its constitution. This is telling us that in the state of Biafra, the Nigerian government has been burned to ashes. Every authority of the Nigerian government is on fire in the state of Biafra. I can see a grave. Is that a grave? A grave has been dug for the Nigerian government. Oh dear me. Nigeria have been burnt and it's about to be buried. I think Biafran should put this in a calendar. They should put this date. This is a serious ceremony.
Yeah, welcome back my people. As you don't see wetin happen for that side though, how they take put everything for inside ground, come put fire join them as well. No be small thing. This now wetin dey happen for Biafra land though, as we dey talk right now. Everybody they provoke, everybody they go high, they say they no go down for this one where they happen. Yeah, my wonderful people. Now so we see more and I will say more bring and come show our people wetin they go on. I beg, may you make sure say you subscribe to this channel and also follow our Facebook page. And if you know say you never turn your notification bell, quickly turn it on so that anytime we upload, you go be the first person we go to get the info. I beg, may you try to share this video as well. As you dey watch, and may try to share the video and make sure say you leave your own opinion in the comment section. Let's talk about wetin you watch out for inside that place. you know as we dey do am now, some we go bring and we go talk put, some we go still bring and we allow one to contribute put. Okay, we will see you for the next update as they hot.